Hey guys, today I'll show you 2 ways to disable end-to-end encryption on your chats using the Messenger app. Kindly stay till the end so you don't miss any step. The first method is to delete all your chat, but I don't always recommend it, except you want to end up with no one to chat with just like me. Now let me show you the second method. Now, kindly share with them the reason for the removal or use the one I'm about to show you today. As you can see, our request has been sent and our end-to-end encryption should be removed after 24 hours. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.